What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm just gonna put a short video about this. This video is gonna be about how to fix the radio problems of resettings. So this is a 2019 WRX Limited, and I have been having an issue like a month into getting it. I started getting the issue where the stations and every setting in your head unit will just reset. It's very frustrating because lately has been literally every time I turn it on or off, it just resets. It just doesn't matter what you do. It would never come back. Before I had a fix that worked for me, where I would save everything as my profile and then load my profile and it would work and it would not reset. But lately somehow it just has been like really bad, where it just deletes everything and erases everything, right? That being said, so this is what the content is. So first, we're gonna be in the radio settings, right? So okay, first of all, I am doing it on hotspot on my phone, which I'm sure most of phones by now have it. But if you don't have it, you could just pull it on the driveway and connect it to Wi-Fi, right? Because this is very important. By the way, this is a DIY video. This is not, you can also take this to the dealership and they will fix it since it's under warranty. But this is more of like a quick fix. It's not that, much to look into. It's very easy. So here we go. After you connect your hotspot, if you have it, as you can see, I have it already done that. I have the Wi-Fi icon there, which means I connected to the Wi-Fi. What did I just do? I don't know what I just did. So I'm just gonna go back to radio because I was playing. Okay. Now you're gonna go to settings. In settings, you're gonna scroll down. Sorry, wrong depth perception. Settings. Scroll down. General. Scroll down to Wi-Fi. In Wi-Fi, you're gonna turn it on. Then once you turn it on, you're gonna go to Wi-Fi settings. You're gonna click on whatever Wi-Fi you have. You're gonna click on it, and then it's gonna ask you, connect. In this case, I have it already connected, therefore I can't really, redo it. But then you enter your password, and then you enter, and then once that's connected, you're going to go to the bottom menu, which says update. Check automatically download updates or automatically check it for updates, and then this is what you're looking for. Check for updates. You click on that, and then automatically it's gonna connect through your Wi-Fi stuff. And in this case, I already did it. I'm gonna post a little bit of a video of what it would be doing, and then what it does is it tells you available update number and everything information. Then you click on download, and it starts downloading, and then on a little bar over here on the top gives you the percentage downloaded. Now once that's done, it's gonna do its thing, and it's gonna be it's gonna prompt you to say, do you want to restart this head unit? And you just hit yes, and then it's gonna do its thing and then update, and it's gonna have like package one of however many packages were downloaded, and it's gonna continue until it finishes. And then once it's finished, then it's gonna just reboot itself automatically, right? Now, as you can see, the car is on, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you. So in my radio stations, I have my radio stations where they're all preset, right? So now we see that there is data. So I'm gonna turn it off, and then open the door so everything's off, right? So now everything's off. Like you can see, the radio is off. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes so it actually just is off. I mean a couple seconds, not minutes. And then once this is done, I'm gonna turn it back on, right? So before, what I was getting was the stereo was just not loading my stations. My stations were gone every time. Now, when it loads, I get all my stations back after that update. Let me just show you real quick. And agree. And as you can see now, I have all my stations back. So this was a quick fix. It is very, self-explanatory. If you have any questions or any concern, just don't forget to hit the actual like box and comment and share. Yeah, so just I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.